This is the future of aviation. But it's not about flight. It's about what's below it. Above it. What it will bring us. Where it will take us. And how it will change our lives for the better. Soon, the vertical dimension will open to each of us like never before. And the sky will become a new ocean of unlimited possibilities. A pathway to nature, a new connection to the world, and a faster, safer road home. A new hope for the wounded and the vulnerable, and a link to the people we love. But most of all, the sky will bring us new dreams. Soon, the day will come when our children and grandchildren know no other world than a vertical one, where up is as easy as down. This is how tomorrow's dreamers will see the world. No longer looking up to the sky, but moving through it. As new generations of visionaries and pioneers, rule breakers and boundary pushers who will make the impossible possible. What they will dream, we can only imagine. But what they imagine will change the world once more. This will be the most thrilling time in history. And we're already here. Welcome, dreamers, to the vertical century.